Frigo AI is one of the most exciting AI software tools released this year, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're considering diving into the AI space or looking to level up your digital marketing efforts, you'll want to stay tuned till the end. Trust me, there are a few key features here that could really change the game for you. First, let's talk about what Frigo AI is all about. This software is designed to optimize your workflows and save time by automating routine tasks. From content generation to social media management, Frigo AI can handle it all with minimal input. It's packed with tools that focus on AI-driven efficiency, making it an essential tool for entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and businesses looking to scale quickly. You can try it for free, by the way. Just hit the first link below to get started. Now, here's where things get interesting. One of the biggest things Frigo AI does is streamline content creation. Whether you're looking to generate blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions, it simplifies the process with a few clicks. But what's more impressive is how well it understands your brand's voice. You're not just getting generic text, you're getting content that feels personal, aligned with your message, and optimized for engagement. Next, Frigo AI integrates with several major platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and social media accounts, allowing you to push content directly from the software. This saves you from having to juggle multiple tools. It's like having an assistant who not only creates content but also knows exactly where to post it. That's huge for anyone running digital campaigns and trying to stay organized. Another powerful feature is the AI analytics tool. It doesn't just track performance, it provides actionable insights, helping you adjust your campaigns in real time. Whether you're tracking conversion rates or analyzing audience engagement, Frigo AI gives you the data you need to make smarter, data-driven decisions. You'll be able to optimize your digital marketing efforts faster and more effectively than ever before. Let's talk about automation next. This software allows you to automate repetitive tasks like email marketing, scheduling posts, and even replying to common customer inquiries. It frees up your time, allowing you to focus on the strategic side of your business, while Frigo AI takes care of the day-to-day details. If you're a business owner or marketer who's constantly looking to improve your customer experience, this tool offers an easy way to personalize your interactions. Frigo AI analyzes customer behavior and helps you create tailored marketing messages that really resonate. It doesn't just send generic emails or posts. It targets the right audience with the right message, increasing your chances of conversion. One thing to note is that Frigo AI is cloud-based, so you don't need to worry about installing software or keeping track of updates. Everything happens automatically, and you can access your account from anywhere, which is a great feature for busy professionals on the go. And finally, the user interface is incredibly intuitive. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned digital marketer or a complete beginner, Frigo AI makes it easy to navigate through the software and start using it immediately. There's a bit of a learning curve, of course, like with any new tool, but the simplicity of its design makes it accessible to almost anyone. If you're still on the fence about whether Frigo AI is the right fit for you, remember, you can try it completely free through the link in the description. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that this one has real potential. You'll find a list of my top recommended AI tools down below, all of which can help you grow your business and improve your digital marketing efforts. In summary, Frigo AI is a game-changing tool for digital marketers, businesses, and anyone looking to leverage the power of AI. It's easy to use, highly effective, and packed with features that streamline everything from content creation to campaign analytics. If you want to take your marketing to the next level, don't miss out on trying Frigo AI. Check out the link below to get started for free.